The unanimous decision by the Supreme Court to uphold President Uhuru Kenyatta's victory in the October 26th election now paves way for him to be sworn in for a second term. Article 141 on the assumption of office holds the swearing in will be on Tuesday after 7 days of the verdict. President Kenyatta is therefore said to be sworn in next week on Tuesday, November 28, and this has been affirmed by State House spokesperson Macharia Reports.
The ruling of the Supreme Court yesterday is a vote for the constitutional path. It is a resounding triumph of the rule of law over tragedy of chaotic disorder.
State House, on the other hand, has applauded the Supreme Court, saying that the court has affirmed that the path designed by the architects of the Republic, a path governed by constitutional institutions and the rule of law, thus emphasizing the President is there to defend the Constitution in his oath of office. Had the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the petitioners, President Kenyatta's win would have been nullified for the second time in 3 months and a fresh election ordered in 60 days. This would have seen the country return to the ballot in mid-January 2018. The Assumption of Office of the President Committee preparing for the swearing-in of President Uhuru Kenyatta, as President will resume the plans for the inauguration ceremony.
We've already commenced arrangements for the swearing-in ceremony for His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta, and this is happening on the 28th of this month.
The committee, which is chaired by Secretary to the Cabinet Joseph Kenywa, halted the preparations for the swearing-in ceremony after the Supreme Court nullified Kenyatta's re-election on August 8th. Kenyatta garnered 7.4 million votes, representing more than 98% of the votes cast in an election that was boycotted by the National Super Alliance flag bearer Raila Odinga.
We intend to host approximately 100,000 visitors, and they are the ones that we are making arrangements for.
2 petitions, one by former Kilome Member of Parliament Aaron Mwau and the other activists Njonjo Mue and Helef Khalifa, were filed seeking the nullification of President Uhuru Kenyatta's victory for the second time in 3 months.
The presidential election of the 26th of October is hereby upheld.
In a unanimous decision, the 6-judge bench of the Supreme Court dismissed the petition, saying they lack merit. Justice Maraga said a detailed decision will be issued within 21 days. Among the issues the petitioner cited as ground for annulment of the October 26 election was failure by the Electoral Commission to conduct fresh nominations, withdrawal by National Super Alliance flag bearer Raila Odinga, and failure by voters in 25 constituencies to take part in the election.